This topic is called Comparing Properties of Linear Functions Given in Different Forms. It's going to give you 4 different linear functions represented below. It could give it to you graphed, it could give it to you in an XY table, and it could give you as an equation, and it could just describe it, telling you about the slope and the y-intercept. So what you want to do is you want to check all the ones that have a slope less than 4. So in this case, function 1, you would need to figure out the slope. I would count from the lower dot up to the higher dot and then over. So this is up 5. So this slope is going to be, for function 1, oh sorry, this is the way that I would recommend that you do it. So for function 1, you got to find the slope, you got to find the y-intercept. So I would say that the function 1, the slope is 5 over 1, so it's 5 over 1, and the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, which is right here at -4. Then I would do function 2. Function 2, the slope, you need to find the change in y. So in this case, you would go down 4. In this case, you go down 4. So each time it's down 4. And then this is plus 1. So it's going to be -4 over 1. So -4 over 1, which is just -4. And the y-intercept is going to be the one that matches with the 0. So this is going to be -2. Function 3 is in slope-intercept form, so it's y equals mx plus b. The m is going to be 3 in this case. If we want to stay consistent, you could put it over 1, but really it's just 3, and then the y-intercept is 1. And then for function 4, it literally just tells you the slope is -1. So again, you can have it over 1 if you want to stay consistent, and the y-intercept is 5. And then we would go ahead and go down and fill in the answers. So in this case, it says which function have graphs less than 4. Less than 4 would be this one, and this one. So this would be function 2, 3, and 4. Which has the y-intercept that's closest to 0. Closest to 0, even though it's positive, is only 1 away. So this would be function 3. And then which has the greatest y-intercept. Remember, greatest has got to be positive. That has tricked people up in the past. They just put the one that was furthest away. Just be careful with these answers after you have this little chart made. Good luck with this topic. Thank you.